Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. This is going to be a real short video. It's going to be an add-on to the drawer build I did for my car camping setup. So when I built the drawer, I left a few pieces off because I wasn't sure if I was going to need them. The first was a latch. Now I'm going to tell you now that I absolutely do need this because the drawer does come open on its own, unfortunately, and I can hear it hitting the back of the car. So I want to install a latch to secure it first of all. Secondly, I just want to put a handle on it too for looks and so I can pull it out easier. That's about it. Let's go get those on now. So I brought my drawer to the backyard and took the latch and started placing it on different areas of the drawer to see where I liked it and how it looked. I ended up going with the top right area, so I marked off the holes with my pencil and then started drilling pilot holes. Now pilot holes are super important, this will help you avoid splitting plywood and it'll help us guide your screw into the area where you want it. So once the pilot holes were drilled, I went to actually installing part of the latch. So this is the part that's going to catch the thing that you actually pull on to open the drawer. Figured this would be easier because this piece will never move, so I started with this one before doing the part that actually comes out with the drawer. Now it didn't show me marking the second piece and drilling pilot holes for this. Took a little trial and error to make sure it would line up and close just by pushing the drawer and not needing to actually pull on the latch, but I got it to where I needed to and then started installing the second piece. And once that was in place, it was just down to a few quality checks to make sure it functioned as intended and it closed just like I wanted to. Opening it worked just as well too. So then we moved on to installing the handle. And what you see me doing here is measuring to what is roughly the center of the drawer because I wanted the handle centered. And once I had it measured where I wanted it, I again marked it out with a pencil for, you guessed it, drilling pilot holes. I wish I would have taken a little more time doing my pencil marks because I didn't quite get the handle level, but it still works just fine, so I'm not going to stress too much about it. But once those holes were marked off and the pilot holes were drilled, it was actually installing the handle itself. So, screwed it in from the back into the handle piece, spun it around a couple of times just to make sure it was tight before installing the second one. And with that, we have an upgraded drawer, a latch to keep it closed while driving, and a handle to help pull it out. Thanks as always for watching my video, guys, and I'll catch you in the next one.